15 high-protein breakfast ideas. Do you want to start your day with the best thing? Which breakfast is better for you? How can you get plenty of proteins? Which breakfast has a high protein ratio? If you guys are looking for the answer to these questions, then you're at the right place. Here, we will cast some light on the best effects of using a protein-full breakfast. Why protein is essential for diet. Protein is an essential ingredient for human health. If you want to enjoy a healthy life, you have to concentrate on your diet. For this purpose, select a diet that has proteins and other necessary nutrients. Every nutrient in our body is essential. The person who wants to enjoy a healthy life should take a sufficient amount of nutrients and minerals. They all play a vital role in our life. A breakfast that has a high protein level can benefit you in various ways. Some of the best benefits of using protein in breakfast. Helps to maintain the sugar level. When you take a breakfast that is full of protein, it helps to control the sugar level in your blood. In this way, many heart diseases are reduced. Help in recovering the immune system. The immune system plays a vital role in a healthy life. You can enjoy a good life if your immune system is working properly. Hence, the other advantage of using protein in breakfast is to recover the immune system. Best for the muscles. People who are building their bodies must take protein. That is why trainers suggest the intake of protein in their diet. It helps to strengthen the muscles. Help to reduce weight. The next thing that is the main concern of women is weight loss. Taking protein helps to reduce the waistline. It is because it gives you the feeling of being full, so you do not eat so much in your routine or lunchtime. However, there are a few benefits you can enjoy by taking your proteins in your breakfast. Now, we will cast some light on the best foods that you can take for breakfast. They have a high level of proteins in them. 15 best high-protein breakfast. When we talk about breakfast, many things click in our minds, like eggs, oatmeal, and different types of cereals. But here, we will talk about some other foods that are high in protein. Number 1, Greek yogurt. If you want to have a protein-filled breakfast, but in less amounts, then you can select Greek yogurt. It is one of the best things that give you a variety of benefits. This yogurt is made by the traditional method. To remove the extra liquid, this traditional method is adopted. The thick texture of yogurt contains more protein than carbohydrates. You can take it with some berries to make your breakfast more interesting and healthy. Number 2, turkey sausages. The next thing that you can take on breakfast is turkey sausages. They are good for a healthy diet. Besides turkey, you can also take chicken sausages. They are full of protein and give plenty of benefits to the body. Many people have a misconception about sausages, thinking that they increase calories. But this food has a high level of proteins without fats, so it will not increase the calorie rate in the body. Number 3, black beans. If you are finding other ways to increase your protein level, then you can take black beans. They are good for your health. If this is cooked with egg, then it adds flavor to your breakfast. With the black beans, you can enjoy 24 grams of protein. On the internet, we have various types of recipes that are delicious and make your day better. However, an omelette of black beans is cooked for 3 to 4 servings. Prepare the breakfast and the family can enjoy it. Number 4, raspberry smoothie. If you are not in the mood for a solid breakfast, you can still get plenty of proteins with your drink. A raspberry smoothie is one of the best sources that can give you the best breakfast, and you can feel full for the day. you can combine the raspberries with cottage cheese that can enhance the taste of your drink. This drink will contain about 15 grams of proteins. This is enough to start your day with the best breakfast. Number 5, Bento tray. If you are willing to eat something fresh and relaxing, get your tray ready that is full of proteins. In this, you will get a mixture of things that will make your breakfast stunning. You can prepare your tray with a boiled egg, a cup of cottage cheese, some berries, and almonds. If you want to dip the cucumber, then it is a better choice for you. This tray gives you an energy boost for the day. In this way, you can get 22 grams of protein. Number 6, pumpkin smoothie. Another smoothie that is best for your health. You can prepare your drink using pumpkin seeds and pure. You can add some vanilla extract to make the smoothie flavorful. In this drink, a small amount of protein powder is also added. It will boost the drink and protein level is good enough to make your day good. Number 7, salmon sandwiches. When you have no choice to prepare your breakfast and you want to eat something stunning, then salmon sandwiches is a great choice. It gives you 24 grams of protein. A delicious breakfast that can make you feel full for the whole day. In this, you can use Greek yogurt to increase the taste of the sandwiches. Hence, the taste of sandwiches increases to combo. Number 8, pancakes with blueberry topping. Pancakes are a famous food for breakfast. Many people do not know the worth of pancakes in life. This food is good to provide proteins. It can be made with a combination of yogurt and berries. The most popular are blueberries. It increases the taste of the breakfast. Pancakes give 2 benefits. One is it gives plenty of proteins to our body. Secondly, it tastes good for breakfast. Number 9, spinach ham. When you are planning to get more protein, then you search for different food for breakfast. Quiche is the culinary chameleon that gives flavor to your breakfast. They are cooked with different flavors that people like. Some like to cook it with some cheese, while some want it with spinach. If you have this with a cup of coffee, then you can enjoy the best breakfast in the world. However, it is also served at dinner with a glass of red wine. But at breakfast, you need more power, so it is better to take it then. Number 10, peanut butter and banana. You are preparing oatmeal, then you must know that it has a variety of tastes, and you can prepare the one as per your choice. If you want to get a power bank of protein, it is better to choose peanut butter and banana oatmeal. It is the perfect choice because this oatmeal can give you 14 grams of protein per day. It is a sufficient amount to enjoy a healthy day. Number 11, Chorizo Burritos. When you are preparing breakfast, then you have to add some special ingredients to make it tasteful. Chorizo Burrito is one of the best breakfasts you can enjoy to boost your energy level. It is made from different ingredients like egg, milk, black bean, cheese, some avocados, and some sauces. They all provide a handsome amount of proteins. If it is taken for breakfast, then you can enjoy 41 grams of protein per day. However, the serving is for more than 2 persons. Number 12, apple toast with cashew butter. Butters, yogurt, and eggs are special things used in breakfast. They are full of energy and make your day best with the energy. You can prepare the apple toast with cashew nuts and maple syrup. These ingredients make a perfect taste that is better for breakfast. It helps you feel full for the day. It also helps to reduce weight. With this breakfast, you can enjoy 5 grams of protein. However, it is less than the former food, but still gives you enough energy to stay active for a day. Number 13, Chia pudding. Sometimes people get to fret about taking the same thing for breakfast. They want to get a variety of things that are available at a reasonable price. If you are fed up with using yogurt, you can make chia pudding. The dish is easy to make and delicious. You can use cocoa milk, chia seeds, yogurt, and syrups to make your food delicious. From this food, you can get about 10 grams of proteins per day. Number 14. Pastrami sandwiches. If we talk about sandwiches, then they are full of proteins because it uses meat. You can add some butter, milk, egg, pastrami, and cheese to make your breakfast tasty. However, it will not increase your waistline, but gives you the energy needed to stay active for a day. It provides 27 grams of proteins. Number 15. Overnight oats. When you do not have a sufficient time to prepare breakfast, but you want to get the full protein, then overnight oats are the best option. You can get your breakfast ready quickly. Just use peanut butter overnight oats that give you energy. This breakfast will give you 12 grams of protein per day. Disclaimer. This video is offered solely for educational and informational reasons. It does not constitute legal, medical, or other professional advice on any subject matter. None of the information in our videos should be used in place of a professional diagnosis and treatment by your physician or other qualified health experts.